Since y'all wanted an unboxing, y'all gonna get an unboxing. Alright, let's go. Alright, first is first. 271. Serial number 35, so it's pretty much the 30th person, I believe. It's my name. You already know what it is. Let's take a look. So what we have here is a 2712 W2 drop-in turbo. I'm not gonna explain why I got a turbo. Y'all will see what I'm gonna do with my car, but pretty much this is gonna be a bigger turbo than the one I have for my stock turbo. Also comes with brackets, some lines for me to interchange my stock ones. Yeah, and go from there. That's about the way back. Alright, next from 271 again. Let's see what we got. Some disclaimer. $271. Let's see what we got, y'all. Alright, so what we got here is a turbo inlet pipe from 271 05046. It's gonna be a bigger inlet turbo, so I'm excited to put this on, see what power gains I get. Also, some comes with pipes, couplers. So 271 again. Alright, let's get. $271. Let's see what we got. Thank you for everything. Instruction. Nice emblem. See what we got here. It's a intake 271. My first very cold air intake. Sold my Canon intake to my buddy Anthony. Shout out to him if you're watching. Some little couplers, some little brackets, and yeah. You guys are wondering why the hell this is already open. I had to make sure the product inside is not damaged, so making sure that, you know, I don't have to send it back to my vendor. So let's get to it. What do we have here, y'all? What do we have? Yeah, I already know. Yeah, I can already tell what the shape is. Yep, it is the steering wheel, but what kind? We will find out. Carbon fiber Buddy Club steering wheel. I did notice that when I did take it out the package, there was nothing really cracked or anything from the carbon fiber. I will say that it is kind of thicker compared to my stock steering wheel. The leather feels really amazing. Love the notches right here, the red stitching all around. So yeah, can't wait to put this on my car and go from there. You already know what it is. It says it on the box. It is Clutch Masters. Went ahead and bought some new clutch for my car. Just want to give a big shout out to Gio from Cyclospeed, my vendor. Couldn't pass on a deal. The reason why, that's why I got Clutch Masters. I was thinking about getting Action Clutch, but you know, I heard good things about Clutch Masters, and plus I got the kit that is more daily for my car. So yeah, let's go ahead and open and see what we got. Amazing. We got some stickers, and let's see what we got here. So we got the puck. I got the ceramic puck. I went with the FX400. Reason why I went with the FX400 is because I wanted more little power on my clutch. Didn't want it to slip. Plus, it's more of a daily use again. I'm not going to be racing anytime. So, bearings, clutch, pressure plate in the back. So, yeah. Let's open up the second package, y'all. Stickers, hooray! Torque specs. And what we got here is Flywheel. Reason why I went ahead and bought a flywheel and a clutch kit is because I'm already replacing the clutch kit because my stock clutch was slipping. So I was like, why not just buy a flywheel? Why not, right? Why not cash out, right? So, again, I want to give a big shout out to Gio from Psycho Speed, my little vendor right there, man. Big shout out to you, man. You made this happen. Thank you so much for taking care of me. You're a great, awesome guy, man. Let me know if you guys need anything from Psycho Speed. I got y'all. Me and Gio got y'all, alright? Alright, next up. Hashport Performance. Great sticker here. Packaging. I'm not gonna open it up fully, but give you guys a little peek of what I have. A little mount here. I have all the mounts. I bought full mounts for my car. I went ahead and bought the 62A. The reason why I went with 62A is because it's more for daily use. I originally bought 82A, but I contacted Chris from Hashport and he went ahead and said get a 62 instead of 82 because 82 is meant for full race and I'm not racing. I'm just, you know, gonna daily my car. But yeah, I'm not gonna open every individual product, but you already know I got a rear mount, engine mount, transmission mounts. Comes with brackets already come with it too as well. So alright, next box is from Mishimoto. Let's see what we got here. An oil catch can. Also that came with the hoses. I sold my old catch can to Charles. Charles, if you're watching this one's for you, buddy. Basically, the reason why I got this one is because if I can open it, I don't think I can open it. I'm weak, but I'm not gonna open it. Okay, but anyways, I went ahead and bought actual catch can that was more proven because my old catch can wasn't doing enough for me. So I went ahead and bought this for myself. You know, came with that. Put it back. Let's open up the second one. Another Mishimoto, but I can open it from the side, can I? Probably can't. I don't care from here, but that's a fail. We got radiator hoses. You already know I got blue, because you know, blue's my favorite color. They're gonna look great when I put them on my car, so yeah. Let's see how those came with brackets. Thank you for the brackets. Instruction guides, and yeah, go from there. Alright, y'all. Next package coming from Modern Auto Performance, MAP Performance, however you guys want to call it.
I don't even remember most of the things I ordered, but we will see what I ordered then.
Boundary Racing Oil Pump Gear. My oil pump. So ARP head stud kits. This will give you guys an idea of what I'm doing to my car already. You guys can probably figure out it has to do something with my motor, but you know, I'm excited to put these on.
Extra parts, whatnot. So, last but not least,
is PRL braided clutch line. Yeah. Last couple packages. Let's see where it's from. Psycho Speed, Geo, you are the man. Let's see what I got. All of that just for this. What did I get? Oh, so I got some rear sway bar end links. Reason why I got rear bar sway end links is because those two boxes right there, which I am going to open up pretty soon. Big package coming through. Not a white line product, but this one has to be the front sway bars. Reason why I bought a front sway bar is because I'm doing my clutch. You guys probably don't know why, but to access this sway bar, you have to take out the chassis. Next box coming from Psycho Speed. Not a white line product. This one is the rear sway bar. The reason why I bought rear end links is because this attaches to there. I already have front end links from white line, so pretty much my whole white line is from my front and rear suspension for my chassis. So I'm excited to put these on, see how my car feels. Alright, what we got next is from Amazon. Let's see what we got. I think I know what this is. This might be wheel spacers. I'll find out. Hub searching wheel spacers. Yep. Here are indeed wheel spacers. What we got next? Some cool lighting, interior lighting. Some clips for my car because I break these easily in my car, so. And last but not least, you already know. Oh, that's still. Oh. Underglow, baby. Shout out to John, you know, for telling me about these. You know, I'm gonna try them out, see how they look in my car. So, go you, John. Alright, last box. You guys are probably curious why such a big box, but you know, we'll see what's in there. You guys probably know why. This is Inlet. What kind of lit? We'll find out. Give you guys a sneak peek. Carbon fiber. It is one piece, y'all. It is a one piece. That's the reason why it's such a one big box, because it is a one piece carbon fiber lip for my car. The reason why I went for this lip is because it is very aggressive lip. I always wanted a real carbon fiber lip. I just didn't want to go with the 3-piece eBay lips anymore. They keep breaking on me, so hopefully this won't break on me. I just gotta adjust my ride height a little higher when I drive in the freeway and whatnot. So yeah, hopefully this will look good in my car. Yeah, you know, thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate y'all for coming out, watching my YouTube video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, what I should do next, and yeah, go from there. Peace out.